Are you guys ready? Where's JJ?
Oh my gosh.
Where's JJ? Where's Jaden?
Wait, it's a bug.
Who said that would be okay?
Okay, Mom, open it up. Open the cage. Tyler, did you open it? Did you open it?
Is he a baby?
Here, hon, do you want to film him with mine?
Is it a baby
Here.
or not? Call Grandma!
Okay, here, come here. Here, look at it. Look at it. Come on, baby. Come here. Oh, come here, little boy.
Is it a boy?
Come here, little boy.
He's a boy?
Come here, buddy. Oh, come
Is
here.
he a boy?
Come
Yeah,
here.
he's a boy. Grandma!
Come here. Oh, come here.
Well, you can go see him.
Can you guys believe it?
Yeah!
Okay.
It's the best Christmas ever!
Okay, he's just really excited.
He's really
He was just sleepy a minute ago.
Aww. No, but oh, hey, boy.
He's got dirty paws already, don't you? Just a minute. Just let him go.
Just let him run around.
Just let him run around.
We gotta keep him away from Rodney. Is it ours? Hey, boy. I can't believe we have
You like him?
Yes!
It was
He's
funny.
a boy?
Grandma.
It was funny. Oh, he's eating a battery. Get it?
Oh.
No! Rodney!
Chip.
What's his name?
Chip!
He kept answering it, Chip.
No! My glove! No!
That's okay.
He's just bringing it to you.
We got a dog! We're not kidding!
Now she's not going to believe you.
Yes, I did! We did! We got it early! FaceTime!
Hit FaceTime.
We did!
Come here. Chip.
Get down.
Chip.
Wait.
Jaden, get down. Get down so he doesn't have to jump up. Just get down on your knees.
I'm not falling for that
Can you-
trick you've told me so
Okay.
many times.
We did!
Hold on. Grandma.
Go on FaceTime.
Settle down.